We zijn zo meteen klaar. Als je goed rustig zit, dan zijn we zo meteen klaar. Oké.
Zullen we pizza eten?
Ik heb geen pizza.
Oh.
Ja, sorry. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, Samantha Pollack. Today I got my nephew with me, my little actor slash drama king. I'm gonna show you how I do his hair. I've already shampooed and conditioned his hair. This is his hair in its natural state, fresh from the shower, no products in. First, let me tell you this, he's not naked. He didn't want to wear a shirt on and he didn't want me to put lotion on his body. Okay? So now you know, let's continue. Wat ga je haar doen? I'm gonna start with spritzing the hair with water. You want the hair to be moisturized and damped. I'm using a good amount of Curl's blueberry and coconut hair milk and apply this all over the hair. Again, I'm spritzing only the back of his hair with water because I'm gonna start with the back. I work the product in and I use a small amount of the Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Jelly. Now I finger detangle and I repeat the steps on the rest of the hair. So I'm using the hair milk and then a small amount of the Curl Control Jelly. Whenever I feel that the hair is dry, I spritz it with water. Now I'm using my Denman brush and I gently detangle the hair. And also I'm using this to define the curls. I'm also doing the shingling method just to separate the curls. So this took me about 10 minutes and by this time he was done. Mind you that my nephew is used to my sister doing his hair all the time, so he's completely fine. But sitting on this chair for longer than 10 minutes, he was done. Yeah. Kijk dan goed naar de camera. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and thank you for watching. Until the next time, bye!
Peace.
Goed zo.